was careful. I thought I took it slow. It was a simple slip from my grip to a crash below. Broken in two, desperately trying to glue the pieces. Furtively crying at a crack you can't undo. The halves were aligned. I waited for a bit, don't touch it, still wet, it's still wet. Repairs take time, you can't force a fix. You gotta let it set, let it set, let it set, let it set. But I could still feel the sharp, jagged edge along the crack. What does it take to get what was back? How can we get what was back? It drives me nuts, the one side smooth, the other cuts. The bowl is whole, yet still in pieces. How long until its sharpness eases? Control we want is out of grasp. You can't redo the past. We are not the potter. We are just clay, not meant to last. Not every break can be mended as much as we wish it could. What if it works and only dented? If it still holds water, is a bowl still good? In the grand scheme, a bowl is just a thing. Something to hold or to carry, but like super soul, it too is temporary. Control we want is out of grasp. You can't undo the past. We are not the potter. We are just clay, not meant to last.